Gene interactions in dihybrid grass. Gene interactions in dihybrid grass. There are two types. First one is epistotic gene interactions. Second one, non-epistotic genetic interactions. Epistotic genetic interactions, non-epistotic genetic interactions. From these two, we discussed here epistosis gene interactions or genetic interactions in dihybrid grass. The epistosis genetic interactions or gene interactions are mainly two types. One is dominant epistosis gene interactions. Second one is recessive epistosis gene interactions. First, we discussed about what is mean of epistosis. Epistosis mean one gene character is masked by other gene character called epistosis, or one gene is completely dominant on all genes called epistosis. Epistosis mainly two types. They are dominant epistosis, recessive epistosis. Dominant epistosis mean the epistosis genes are in the dominant position. Epistosis genes are in the dominant position called dominant epistosis. If the epistosis genes are in recessive position, called recessive epistosis. Now, dominant epistosis. Epistosis genes are in the dominant position. Epistosis genes are in the dominant position. These are homozygous or heterozygous in condition. The dominant genes are homozygous or heterozygous in condition. The marked genes are called, the marked genes or masked genes are also called epistosis gene, and suppressed genes are called hypostosis gene. Mean dominant epistosis genes, dominant genes are called epistosis gene, then suppressed genes are called hypostosis genes. Here it is, epistosis gene character is masked on the hypostosis gene. Hypostosis gene. In this epistosis gene, in this epistosis means in this dominant epistosis, in F2 phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1, change into 12:3:1 or 13:3. See here it is, dominant epistosis F2 generation phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1, change into 12:3:1 or 13:3. So now discussed here dominant epistosis example with one plant. The example plant is Cucurbita pepo fruit color. In Cucurbita pepo fruit colors are three types. One is white color, second one is yellow color, third one is green color. These are the three types of pepo fruit colors are present in the Cucurbita. Here it is, in dominant epistosis, one parental plant contains, one Cucurbita parental plant contains capital W, capital W, capital Y, capital Y. The phenotypic characters of these genes, white color pepo fruits, white color pepo fruits. See here it is, capital W act as a epistosis gene. the capital W character or color is white. The capital W's are in homozygotic condition. When they are heterozygotic condition also they express only white color. See, in this zygote with capital W, capital Y genes also present. Capital Y indicates a dominant position. But the dominant capital Y genes are cannot express their own color, our own character, because the capital Y character is suppressed by capital W gene. Capital Y character is suppressed by capital W gene. So capital W act as a epistosis gene and capital Y act as a hypostosis gene. Capital W act as a epistosis gene, capital Y act as a hypostosis gene in one parental plant. These white color pepper fruit plants are crossed with green color pepper fruits plants. The green color pepper fruit plants are contains homozygotic genes. They are small w, small y, small y. The small w, small y characters are green color fruits. Green color fruits. See here, these two homozygotic parental plants are crossed. The two parental plants are produced two different types of gametes. One is capital W, capital Y, small w, small y. These are fertilized, means these gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, heterozygotic cucurbita plants are formed. The heterozygotic cucurbita plants are containing capital W, capital Y, small y genes. Here it is, the F1 generation cucurbita fruits are express only white color fruits. White color fruits expressed by which gene here it is? Epistosis gene. Which is epistosis here is capital W epistosis. If capital W is present in any zygote, the remaining genes are in dominant position or in recessive position. They cannot express their own color or own character. So these remaining genes are called hypostosis genes. What are the hypostosis genes? Here it is capital Y, small w. These three genes are suppressed by capital W gene. These three gene characters are suppressed by capital W gene character. So in F1 generation with dominant epistosis gene, which gene here it is? Dominant epistosis gene. The dominant epistosis gene character is masked on all types of genes. Remaining all types of genes. What are the remaining all type genes? Small w, capital Y, small y. So these three genes are cannot express with their own color or own character. These are act as a hypostosis genes. Then based on the capital W epistosis, dominant epistosis gene, in F1 generation, the cucurbita pepper fruit colors are in white color. So the F1 generations are crossed with self-cross to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, one parental plant, one cucurbita parental plant, heterozygotic parental plant of F1 generation produced capital W, capital Y, capital W, small y, capital Y, small w, small y. These are the four gametes from one heterozygotic parental generation of F1. Another parental generation of F1 also produced capital W, capital Y, capital W, small w, capital Y, small w, small y. These are fused to form 16 types of zygotes. See here it is, from 16 types of zygotes, 12 types of zygotes express, or 12 types of plants, cucurbita plants express only white color pepper fruits, because the 12 zygotes are containing capital W dominant epistosis gene, capital W dominant epistosis genes. So the 12 zygotes or 12 plants can express only white color cucurbita pepper fruits. When the capital W is absent in the zygotes, the capital W is epistosis. Which epistosis here it is? Dominant epistosis. If capital W is absent in any zygotes, that zygotes are express their own color, our own character based on the presence of dominant or recessive genes. See here it is 3 yellow color pepper fruits are developed. Yellow color pepper fruits are 3. See children, these are the yellow color pepper fruits. Why they are produced yellow color pepper fruits? Here it is capital W epistosis gene is absent. Here it is capital Y are present. If capital W mean epistosis gene absent, the remaining genes are expressed their own color or own character. Here it is capital Y is the dominant gene. So the dominant gene character is expressed in this zygote. What is the dominant character? Capital Y is yellow color pepper fruits. So these 3 zygotes or 3 plants are expressed yellow color pepper fruits. And last one is green color pepper fruits. Small w and small y also expressed green color. The green color pepper fruits are developed only one plant, in one plant. So finally, in F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is, normal phenotypic ratio in dihybrid cross is 9:3:3:1. It changed into 12:3:1. It is in dihybrid epistosis gene interactions. In that dominant epistosis gene interaction, phenotypic ratio of F2 generation is 12:3:1.